Get ready for 2 full days of learning, networking, and fun at New England's premier conference for educational technology. The MassCUE Fall Conference, held in partnership with the Massachusetts Association of School Superintendents, will be held at Gillette Stadium October 18th through 19th. This year, our theme is MassCUE for All, with a focus on digital equity and presentations from thought leaders, including keynote speakers Ken Shelton and Dr. Liza Toulousan. Choose from more than 200 workshops where educators share best practices on topics that span the educational landscape. Check out the latest advancements in digital learning from hundreds of ed tech and nonprofit vendors. And visit our interactive spaces for hands-on learning experiences. Mark your calendar and join us October 18th and 19th at the MassCUE Fall Conference.